How to make Facebook video ads for lead generation easy tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create Facebook video ads for lead generation. How you can design your Facebook ads professionally and ads that will get you clicks and that will help you sell your products. So let's get into it. First of all, you can open up your facebook.com. I have this page on Facebook, which is a business page, and we have skincare products that we sell. Now, I want to create a video ad for my page that I have on Facebook. So, how I do it, how I create a professional ad that gets me clicks and that helps me to grow my business and to increase my sales. This is my page right here, and I'll show you how to create a video ad. I actually use a platform known as Canva.com. Canva.com is an online designing tool that allows you to edit videos, it allows you to create logos, and also create video ads. It's a free platform, and we can actually create very good video ads using Canva. So I'll show you how to design an ad for your Facebook page to get lead generations. Once you get to canva.com, it's very easy to sign up for. You can sign up with your Google account or your email address. Once you sign up, this is where you will get. Now we can search for a template here or a layout, what we are looking for. So I'm going to go with ads. Right here, we have it. I'm going to open it up. On Canva, what we can do is we can either go ahead and start from the scratch, or we can create a ad using a template. So I might be working with a template, or I'll actually show you how to start from the scratch. You can go for ads. It's actually, some of these are video ads and some are a simple photo ads that we have. You can actually search for video, and we're gonna just move on to our canvas that we get. Alright, so here we have a lot of different videos, ads that we can create. I'm gonna go ahead and click on create a blank video. So here we have our blank canvas on Canva. So you can see this is what the video will look like. On Facebook, we can create a video with this layout right here. If you want to switch to a mobile video, then you will also be able to find that layout. This is our canvas. Let me quickly give you a tour around Canva if you're using it for the first time. This is what the scenes will look like. We have our timeline right here. We have time frames given. This is going to be the background color. This is going to be the timing for each scene that we have. Then we have templates here that allows us to work with templates, and it makes our work really easy. Then we have elements. In elements, we will be able to add photos, videos, graphics, lines and shapes, stickers. We have audio, we have charts, tables, frames, grids, and many other icons that we can add to our video. So this is where we most of the time work, and Canva gives us a lot of tools to add to a video and to edit a video. Then we have upload, where you will be uploading your media, for example, your images. And if you have product, if you're creating a video for products, for example, I'm creating a video for my beauty page right here for my skincare products, then I will add my product images, like I will upload them. Then we have text, of course, that allows us to add a heading, subheading, or a body text. Then we have some projects, audio, and we can get music from here. We have background and apps. So let's start working on our video here. I'm gonna go ahead and actually check out some of the templates given here, and to show you guys how it looks. It actually has some templates for beauty products and ad templates. This one right here, let's check it out. What is this? Okay, so we have a scene right here given. This is like the first scene, and it is for products, and the products are very similar to what a beauty product will look like, and this is actually looking really impressive. I'm gonna go ahead and edit this one. This is what it looks like. Let me play it for you guys. You can see it shows the images and some text, and we have some of the movement going on. This looks really impressive. I'm gonna go ahead and customize this one. How to customize a template and how to add different elements to a video. First of all, we can add two backgrounds. For example, they have added a background color, which is this one. Now I'm gonna change it a little bit, and I will keep it to my theme right here, which is this color right here. This is according to our page. So I'm gonna go to the color palette, and this is actually similar to this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and add our color that we have. There you go. So this is going to be the background color. Now the next step is going to be the images that we have. So this is not my product. I'm gonna go to upload and upload product images. So I have added my product images right here. Of course, if you have product images that you took and you have done your product photography, then you will just upload the images. How to add an image in the background? Let me quickly give you an example. For example, this was the image. Once you upload, you're going to select it and it will be added. Now you can click on these three dots and add it as a background, or you can just move it around and you can crop it, you can place it wherever you want to. So I'm going to delete this one for now. We have two images added. Now the text, let's move here and I'm going to go ahead and customize the text. You can go to the text right here and add a heading. So we have added a heading here. I'm going to add my business name right here. So you can see this is our text. I'm going to change it completely. What I'm going to do is, first of all, I'm going to change the color because the color is not that prominent. So I'm going to go with either this one or this right here. Let's actually see if it looks good. Okay. Let's make it a little darker so we can see it clearly. There you go. Now I'm going to change the font. So there are different fonts available that we can go for. I'm going to see what it looks like. Okay, let's go with this one. And I'm going to also place it right here. Let's actually do another thing that will make our text pop out a little bit. And I'm going to go to the elements and go to the like square and add a square. Once it's added, I'm going to place it in the background of my text. Change the color. The color is again going to be according to the theme that we're working with. This is the color. Then you're going to click on three dots, click on transparency and make your square transparent. And it will make your text pop out a little bit like this. We can now change the text color and make it, I guess, black. So it will pop out a little bit more. Now this is what it looks like. You can see we can make our text a little bigger as well. Make our square a little bit smaller. There you go. So this is what it looks like this side. Now we're going to move on to this one. We have this logo. Let's get rid of it. This is not our logo. Then we have a new fragrance and things. We're going to get rid of this too. Let's go to the text right here and add a subheading, new products. This is what I want to add and we're going to place it here. Let's make it a little bit smaller like this. Let's change it to this font because this is the font that we're going for and place it here. There you go. This is what it looks like. Now we can add more text here and this is going to be my, ad video that I will be adding. Let's go with a body text and quickly add a text here. So I have added the text and this is what it looks like now. These are my products, my text, and you can see how I customized the template completely, but it helped me to get this type of video for my ad. Now let's play it. We can add a audio in the background if we want to. So you can see this is what it looks like. We have our name, we have our product images. So this is what the ad will be. Again, let me play it for you guys. Perfect. So this is like a 5-second video. I can of course expand it a little bit or I can add more than one scenes. You can go to your template and check out if it has more scenes. What we're going to do is we're going to add this one here. Again, we have a scene here. So let's go with 2 scenes maybe. Again, it's very easy for us as I showed you. Get it at 50% off. So actually it's quite similar to what offer I am giving right now. So I'm not going to do a lot here and I'm going to just change it to 20%. It says the website name. I'm going to remove it. Keep the text right here and change the background color. That's it. That's what I'm going to do with the second scene. So I'm going to upload the image and select image of my products. This is the image I am actually going for, like our product in use, and we can like double click to place it here. Perfect. Now this is my second scene and I think my ad is ready. This background right here, let's change it to this color. Perfect. Now this is what my ad looks like. Let me show you really quickly. This is our first scene. Perfect. It's for 4.6 seconds and then we have this one. Perfect. Now my ad is ready. My videos are ready to export. This is going to be like 9.3 seconds in total. I'm going to click on share and download it as a video. Click on download. The video will be downloaded. Now we can go to our Facebook page. This is our page here. And we're going to go to our ad center. In our ad center, we're going to click on promote. Get started with a new ad. And when you're creating an ad, it says select media. You're going to select media from your computer. And what you're going to do is you can upload a video that you just created. So that's what I'm going to do. and the video will be added right here. This is a promotional video. Similarly, you can add a lead generation. We can also select a thumbnail for our video, so I'm going to go with this thumbnail right here. Now this video will be added in my ad, and this is how you can add your ad videos if it's a promotional video or a lead generation video, and you can create an ad using Canva and then upload on Facebook. This brings us to the end. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.